Hello friends, welcome back to lmsle.com. In today's video, we will see what is course meta link enrollment method in Moodle and how you can set it up as the Moodle site admin for your teachers. The course meta link enrollment method is one of the most popular ways to enroll users from a single course in Moodle to another course in Moodle. What it means is that if a user is enrolled in course A and you want that same user to be enrolled in course B, then you can set up the course meta link enrollment method for course B so that the users coming from course A will be directly enrolled into course B also. So now let us see how you can do that enrollment method for your Moodle site as the admin. As you can see on my screen, I am already logged in as a site admin, and if you are not there as the admin, you need to log in as the site admin. This will include two steps for enabling this course meta link on your Moodle site. So first you need to enable the enrollment method on your Moodle site, and secondly you need to add that for your courses. So now first we will enable that on our Moodle site. So just go to this site admin tab and go to the plugins page and scroll down until you see this enrollments here. Now click on this manage enroll plugins. On this page you will see all the enrollment methods enabled on your Moodle site, and the ones which are disabled will be shown by this closed eye icon. Now just scroll down and you will see this course meta link on your Moodle site. Now you need to just click this icon to enable this. So as you can see, this course meta link enrollment method is now enabled on this Moodle site. Now what I need to do is I need to go to the specific course where I would like to add this enrollment method and then add this on that course. So I will just go to any course here. And let me see that I will go to this course. Now when you are there on the course page, you need to go to this participants tab and go to the enrollment methods here. Now on this page you will see the enrollment methods enabled for this specific course, and let me say that I will add another course for the meta link for this course. So I need to click this add method and choose the course meta link here. Now on the next page you can see that there are two fields. One is the link course. So here you need to mention the parent course from which the users will be enrolled in this course. So you can either give a search here. So let me say that I will have my other course here. So I want the users from English literature to be enrolled in this course also. And in the next field you can either create a new group for the users coming from this course, or you can also add them to any already created group. So I will choose none for this demonstration and click on this add method. So now you can see that this course meta link from English literature course has brought in 3 users into this new course. Now I will just go back to the enrolled users tab and show you the enrolled students. So here you can see that there are 4 users in total in this course now. So this is how you can use the course meta link enrollment method on your Moodle site. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon on our YouTube channel. And if you have faced any problem while following this screencast, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching this video.